Understanding lead time in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be diving into the phrase lead time. If you've ever been curious about what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Lead time is made up of two words, lead and time. Individually, lead can mean to guide or to be in charge, while time refers to the indefinite continued progress of existence and events. However, when put together, the phrase has a specific meaning in the world of business and production. Lead time is the amount of time that elapses between the beginning and the end of a process. In a business context, it's often the time taken from the moment an order is placed until the product is delivered or the service is completed. It's an essential concept in industries like manufacturing, where planning and timing are critical. For instance, if you order a custom-made piece of furniture and you're told it'll take 4 weeks for it to be ready, those 4 weeks represent the lead time. To better understand and remember, let's look at some examples. 1. The lead time for this product is usually 6 to 8 weeks. 2. We're working to reduce our lead time to improve customer satisfaction. 3. Can you provide an estimated lead time for this service? And there you have it. Lead time is all about the time taken from the start of a process until its completion. Whether you're in the business world or just shopping for a custom product, it's a handy phrase to understand. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, every word or phrase you learn brings you one step closer to mastering the English language.